Hi, I'm Andy Warman from Warman Detailing, here with Flex Tools, and we're going to demonstrate on a bit of bird lime how to get rid of it with the two-step process. So we've got a typical bird lime here on the rear quarter. Got a Flex battery machine. You can literally take it anywhere with the Flex compound as well. And we're just going to try and take this bird lime out of the rear quarter here. So it was that simple. We've gone with the first step compound, which is the hard body shop compound. That's got rid of the bird lime. Now we're just going to finish it. Simply switch the head. This is the finishing compound. Simple two-step process, one with the compound, one with the finishing compound.